I couldn't believe it that Dennis did not know how to turn the sound on this video. Otherwise, it would have been so awesome. I'm using my Savage 17 HMR to shoot at a pound of Tannerite 70 yards downrange. Put the Tannerite inside the pumpkin and bowling pin on top of that. Sienna said I should add sound effects to the audio. Yeah, I know. There's nothing. You can't find anything. Well, that's the end of the Trump sign. Well, here's the aftermath. Yep, there's no nothing of the bunker left except a bunch of mush.